Hello. I know everyone thinks that all we eat are sweets over here in the Angry Nutrition household, but we also do eat some savory foods. So tonight we are making some ground turkey tacos. So we're starting with getting our ground turkey cooking in the pan. We always get lean ground turkey, so no more than 97.3, which means that would be 3 grams of fat. This one is 99.1, so just 1 gram of fat per serving of the turkey. I'm gonna get that going in there. And don't forget about some lime juice on there. And half of our onion that we chopped up to cook, and then half of it's gonna be fresh on the tacos. All right, while that is cooking away, we're gonna start chopping up our fresh cilantro to top our tacos because we love cilantro here. I know some people think it tastes like soap, but we love it. Now we're gonna put our tacos together. So we have our little taco soft shells. We usually like to get La Tortilla Factory, but they were all out. So we got these Chi-Chi's ones, which are still pretty macro friendly. But we're gonna divide our meat here. So this is gonna be 4 servings. So I'm going to just divide here. And I'm only gonna use half of my 1 serving for this taco shell. Right. Beautiful. Now we're gonna do a little bit of this taco sauce, Old El Paso, only 1 carb in a serving of this, which is 1 tablespoon. We got this lovely fresh pico, also very macro-friendly, salsas, picos, only 10 calories and 2 tablespoons of that. Throw a little bit of raw onion on there. We love some onion here. And then a little bit of that fresh cilantro. And you've got yourself a very macro-friendly, very tasty taco dinner. Enjoy!